Hello, so today in this video we are going to study how to do division related to decimals. Now in this part I am going to divide the lesson into three parts. That is, in the first part we are going to discuss how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Next we are going to discuss how to divide a whole number by a decimal number, and after that, in the last part, we are going to discuss how to divide the decimal number by another decimal number. So, let's move to the video. Okay, so my first question is 0.56 divided by 2. 0.56 divided by 2. Okay. So, to do this question, we have two methods. That is, either we can convert these decimals into whole numbers, or else we can just keep this one as the decimal and do the division. Okay, firstly, I am going to teach you how to convert this one into a whole number and simplify. So, to make 0.56 56, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100, right? We have to multiply by 100. Then here this decimal place comes 2 places backwards. Okay. And if we do one thing to one side of a fraction, we have to do the same thing for the other side also. So these theories you know, because we have discussed so many things in previous lessons, no? So if you haven't checked those videos yet, you can check those also in this same playlist. Okay, so if I multiply the numerator by 100, I have to multiply the denominator also by 100, no? Okay, so 0.56 multiplied by 100, what is the answer? That becomes 56. And 2 multiplied by 100, what is the answer? Yes, that is 200. Okay. Now we have two whole numbers. Now we can do the division. The method is you can use the long division, or else you can just cut the numbers. Whatever you want, you can do. Okay. So I will just cut a little bit. So 2 times. For 5, 2. For 16, 8. Here I have 100. I divided both sides by 2. Again I can divide by 2, right? No, I can just divide by 4 now, no? Okay, 4 times. I'm going to check 4 times. 7. Here 4 times. 25. Okay. Now the question is easier. This is 7 over 25. You can see that, no? Okay. So, now what I'm going to do is, using the long division, I'm going to divide 7 by 25. Okay. So, is there any 25 for 7? No. 0. 0 times 25, 0. 7 is remaining. I am taking a 0. For that taking 0, I'm going to put here the decimal place. So, 70, how many 25s are there? Yes, that is 2. So, here 50, again 20 is remaining. I will take another 0. So, how many 25s are there for 200? What is the answer? Yes, that is 8. So, we got our final answer as 0.28. 0.28. Okay. Keep this answer in your mind and let's divide this number itself in the same way. Okay. I'm going to divide this number in the other method. Our question was 0.56 divided by 2. No. Now I'm going to divide this one itself. It's like this. 0.56 divided by 2. Okay. Here I have 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Here remainder is 0 and I am taking 5. As I have a decimal place here, I am going to keep the decimal place in the same place here. Here and here in the same place. For 5, how many 2's are there? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 is remaining. I will take this 6 there. For 16, 8. 8 times 2, 16, and the remainder is 0. So our final answer is 0.28. Again the same answer. Again the same answer. You can use any method you like. Okay. So our next question, that is 10.50 divided by 5. I'm going to use the second method here. So 10.50, I'm going to divide this number by 5. Okay, for 10, how many 5s are there? 2. 2 times 5, 10. 0 is remaining. I will take this 5 here, and in the same place I will keep the decimal place. For 5, how many 5s are there? Yes, that is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Remainder is 0. I will take this 0. For 0, there are no 5s, and here we got the answer as 2.10. If you use the method 1, also in that method, you will take the same answer. You will take the similar answer. Okay, so that's done. And this is the next question. Now I am going to divide a whole number by a fraction. A whole number by a fraction. In this method, it is easier if you convert these things into a whole number. That's easier, okay? So here in this question, I am going to use the first method. What I want to do, I want to make 0.5 into 5. So to that, I have to multiply 0.5 by 10. Yes, that's it. So both the sides by 10. Okay. 500 times 10 means 5,000. That's correct, no? And here 0.5 times 10 means that's 5. Now I can divide now. Okay. So in one just side, you can say that for 5,000, how many 5s are there? Yes, that is 1,000. Or else you can do this by long division method. That is 1,000. Our next question, that is 482 divided by 0.2. What I am going to do is, I am going to multiply both the sides by 10. Then this will become 4,820 divided by 2. Now I can just divide, right? You can use the long method division also. But now I am going to do this in just in the same place, okay? So for 4, how many 2s are there? 2. For 8, 4. For 2, 1. For 0, 0. Very easy, right? This is the answer. Okay. So we are moving to the third type now. Dividing a decimal by another decimal. That is 0.248 divided by 0.4. Here I am going to convert the denominator into a whole number. Then it will be easy as the second type. Okay. Only the denominator. Denominator into a whole number. Then multiply by 10 both the sides. So here only one place is moving. So it will become 2.48 divided by 4. Now we can just do it. No. Let's do. Here. Okay. You can see here, no? 2.48 divided by 4. For 2, there are no 4s. And 2 is remaining. I will take 4 and I will keep the decimal place in the same place. For 24, how many 4s are there? 6. Here 24 and remainder is 0. I will take the 8 here. For 8, 2. So this is the answer, 0.62. We got our final answer. And here, now I am going to discuss the last question which we are going to discuss in this video. So that is 0.49 divided by 0.7. Again, what I am going to do? I am going to convert the denominator into a whole number. So I have to multiply by 10. Then this will become 4.9 divided by 7. Okay, now we can divide now. 4.9 divided by 7. For 4, how many 7s are there? No 7s are there. So here 0 and 0. 4 is remaining. I will take 9 here. I will keep the decimal place in the same place. For 49, how many 7s are there? Yes, that is 7. 7 times 7, 49. Remainder is 0. So we got our final answer as 0.7. That's it. So if you want, if I am too speed, you can just pause the video and do your workings, or else you can just repeat the video and you can note down anything if you want. So in this video we have discussed division related to decimals. So this is the last video of this decimals video series, and let's meet soon by another video series related to maths. Okay, so goodbye.